All right, guys, what we have here is a rug. Customer was telling me that they're not incredibly old. They're not that old, right?
They're good, 10 years.
Okay, so say maybe 10 years old. But after she got them, they started doing this pretty early. And I'm thinking this is a defect in the glue that they use to put the backing on. And it's all over the floor. Normally I wouldn't do these rugs. I wouldn't even touch them. But yeah, she's begging me to. She's not going to hold me responsible. So we're going to go ahead and just hit them real lightly. We've got a couple of rooms here that we're doing. And I'm going to VLM clean these. We got the lawn guys outside making some noise. Got the cable guys here, very busy. Just got this place rented for the weekend, so we got to get it done. Here's another room, a little before. Do what? Need to get a few renters first, right? And then we have, we didn't think that we had pet, but we do have some pet. We're not going to be treating the pet today. She's got to rent it for the weekend. She just wants to get it rented. But this room, I'll put pictures up also. This room, they built the bunk beds here. Let me try to zoom out. So they built the bunk beds here, and so we had to put the carpet around it. But we're going to be VLM cleaning, so I wanted to mainly make a video for the before and after, show you guys how awesome this process is. So here we are. Here's the after results. I don't want to walk in. It's been groomed. Did that rug, that rug. This is all VLM and cat. This room, no stains. And this customer's vacuum. I have not raked this one yet, but I still don't want to walk on it. But anyway, all the stains are gone. Looks fantastic. Now I'm gonna work on this couch. I may have to break out the steam cleaning to do this, but she did all the cushions in the washing machine. You can really tell the difference. Actually, just Encap that arm. I don't think it's going to work, but yeah, big difference.